Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying UEFI Secure Boot is active and that you have admin rights. This matters because changes require firmware access. Once confirmed, plug in your prepared USB installer and ensure you've backed up current keys and configuration files. Now download a signed shim or the distro-provided signed bootloader plus a matching signed kernel. This avoids manual key enrollment. Make sure file names and versions match the firmware's expectations so you won't hit signature mismatches when you begin the enrollment step. Next, access your firmware's key management area and prepare to enroll keys. This is the core action that lets signed code run. If your distro uses machine owner key, mock, generate and enroll it with mokutil, or import the vendor CA into the firmware if supported. When you must sign a bootloader, use sbsign or sbctl to produce properly signed binaries, then verify signatures using mokutil or fwuptinger so you catch errors early. Take your time here, because a single wrong key will block the boot process. To finish, reboot and choose the new signed boot entry. Observe firmware diagnostics during post for any signature or policy errors. If the system refuses to boot, don't panic. Restore your backed up keys or temporarily disable Secure Boot to regain access and fix signatures. Make sure to log exact error codes and messages. These tell you whether to re-sign the binary, re-enroll a key, or correct a certificate path. Once repaired, re-enable Secure Boot and verify automatic boot. Repeat signing /enrollment until clean startup occurs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.